Hello, welcome back. Now let's look at another example of change of subject involving simple fraction. So here we are trying to make A the subject for each of the formula. Now there are so many ways you could do that. So what some people may like to get rid of the 4 first, but I want to go by this approach whereby I get rid of the denominators. So the approach I'm going to show you is how to get rid of the denominator so that we have everything in one line. Now you realize that A is divided by 3. So the best way is to multiply every single term by 3. By so doing, you can cancel out the 3. So first, we multiply through by 3. That's what I mean. Every single term by 3. And I can now cross out the 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So when I cross out, I have only A here. This will be 12 and this will be 3H. So my new formula will be A plus 12 equals 3H. Now if I want to make the A the subject, then all I need to do is get rid of the plus 12 by taking away 12 from both sides. And that will give me A equals 3H minus 12. Obviously, if I started with the plus 4 by taking away 4, we'll still come to the same thing, but I prefer it this way. Let's look at the second example. I want to get rid of the denominator 4. 5A is divided by 4, so I'm going to multiply every single term here by 4. Now I can cross these two. 4 divided by 4 is 1. So when I do that, I'm going to have 6 times 4, 24, and this will be 5A, and this will be 4L. So that will be my new formula. Now I need to subtract from both sides 24 so that I can only have 5A on the left hand side. So when I do that, this becomes 0. I have only 5A and equals to 4L minus 24. And to get A, I'm going to divide both sides by 5 so that I can cancel out this 5. And therefore my answer is A equals 4L minus 24 over 5. Now let's look at the third example. Also, I want to get rid of the denominator 5, so I multiply both sides by 5. Now this time, this is an expression, so you're multiplying the whole expression by 5, not separately. So this is how we write it, so that I can cancel out these two 5s. So I have 2A plus C equals 5W. Now I get rid of the plus C by taking away C from both sides. That gives me 2A equals 5W minus C. And to make A the subject, divide both sides by 2. Cross out the 2 on this side. Therefore, A is now equals 5W minus C equals 2. So this is another example of change of subject involving simple fraction. Next one will be when we have a square term in it.